Here's the truth. Most people think they're bad with money. They're not. They're just bad at noticing where it actually goes. Right now, you're probably bleeding $200 to $500 every single month on things you don't even remember buying. And the worst part? You could cut that today without eating cereal for dinner or canceling your gym membership. Let me show you exactly where that money's hiding. Mistake number 1 is the subscription graveyard. You signed up for Netflix in 2019, then Disney+, then that meditation app your friend recommended, then a meal planning service, a fitness app, a productivity tool. Now you're paying for 7 subscriptions you use maybe twice a year. The average person is hemorrhaging $180 per month on subscriptions alone. That's $2,160 a year just sitting there. Go into your bank statement right now and search for subscription. Write down every single charge. I guarantee you'll find at least 3 you completely forgot about. Cancel them today. Actually cancel them. Don't just tell yourself you will. Mistake number 2 is paying full price for literally everything. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. Grocery stores rotate sales in cycles, usually every 6 to 8 weeks. Clothes have seasonal markdowns. Electronics drop in price predictably. But most people just buy when they need something. If you shift your mindset to buying strategically, you'll save 15 to 40% on almost everything without changing what you actually purchase. I'm talking about buying that winter coat in March when it's 50% off, not in October when everyone else needs it. That's not sacrifice. That's just logistics. Here's the one that really gets people: the convenience tax. You grab coffee on the way to work instead of making it at home. That's $5 per day, $100 per month, $1,200 per year. You order food delivery instead of cooking. That's a 20 to 30% markup plus fees. You pay for expedited shipping instead of waiting 5 days. You buy water bottles instead of filling up a reusable one. None of these are huge individual decisions. Together, they're stealing $300 to $600 monthly from people who genuinely think they don't have money. The secret isn't deprivation. It's deciding in advance what's worth the premium and what's not. Mistake number 4 is lifestyle creep. Your salary goes up 10%, and somehow your expenses go up 10% too. You get a raise, and within 6 months, you don't even remember having extra money because you've already absorbed it into your lifestyle. That's the trap. The real financial freedom comes from saying, my quality of life doesn't improve because I spend more. It improves because I have more choices. Lock in your major expenses and keep them locked. Your rent, your transportation, your insurance, these should barely move year to year. And mistake number 5 is the silent killer. Small percentage, charges you never notice. Banking fees, credit card interest, insurance premiums you never shopped around for, investment fees on your retirement account. These compound into thousands of dollars over a lifetime, and nobody talks about them because individually they seem insignificant. But they're not. A 1% difference in investment fees over 30 years could cost you literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. Same with insurance. Shop your rates every 18 months. Banks are betting you're too lazy to care. Here's your action plan. Starting today. First, audit your last 90 days of spending. Go through your bank and credit card statements line by line. Highlight anything that feels wasteful or forgotten. Second, cancel subscriptions you don't use. Third, commit to buying one category of purchases strategically. Maybe groceries this month, clothes next month. Fourth, Identify your biggest convenience drain and replace it with a system. Make coffee at home, meal prep on Sunday, use free shipping by planning ahead. And fifth, lock in your major expenses so lifestyle creep doesn't sabotage you. None of this requires sacrifice. It just requires awareness. The biggest lie about personal finance is that cutting expenses means living worse. It doesn't. It means living intentionally. You're still buying coffee. You're just buying it strategically instead of emotionally. You're still shopping. You're just shopping smarter. This is how actual wealth gets built. Not by earning more, by keeping more of what you earn. If this resonates with you, like this video, and subscribe for more money tips that don't require you to be miserable. And remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Make decisions that fit your life.